Good day, here we are everybody on All Season Adventures again. This time we got something a little bit different for you guys. Going camping, of course. You guys, I'm sure you already know that, but we are bringing an old teddy bear, Gizmo here, yeah. Ready to go camping, bud? He's already camping. But we got another special guest to bring camping with you guys. We got Gizmo's son. Let me do a few curls here first there. This is his son, Mickey. Best All Season likes to call them Tubbs, therefore. Then both of them together, you got TNT, Teddy Bear and Tubbs, and they're kind of dynamite together. So anyhow, and then we also got something else we're bringing on our trip. We also got the KLR packed up, and then in the back of the truck we got some cheese dogs, got some fancy soda. So anyhow, without further ado, time for a little driving out there montage. Get everything set up montage, go roll out, and anyhow, go have a great camping trip. So anyhow, see you guys in a bit. Cheers. One dog. And two dogs.
Bye, Daddy.
I took these two pooches for a little ride at the house, so time to go see how they like off-roading. So let me go get my GoPro and let's go for a little ride. Cheers. Okay, we just got back from a bike ride. Gee, I'm getting tangled here. Tubbs. There we go. Got myself, Tubbs, and Gizmo back from our bike ride. I hope I got some. The GoPro was acting a little bit wonky. Hope I got a card in there. If not, we'll go for another bike ride in the morning with the camera. It won't be as good as with the GoPro, but we gotta get some footage of me riding around with these two little pooches. So anyhow, next step is ready to get a fire pit. What we are going to do though, you guys have heard me stress this many a times. I don't like when people leave their garbage around, so. That's like 40 cents right there. That'll give me not even a kilometer in gas. But anyhow, clean up your garbage when you go camping like this. So instead of me clean up for the rest of you guys. So anyhow, I'm gonna make sure to bring that back home with me, and let's get our fire going. Or I'll get back to you guys once our fire is going and we're ready to cook some cheese dogs. Cheers. Okay, well you can see we got our fire going. It's getting kind of late at night now. We got the old time machine there. Trusty KLR kicking around there. The old freaking Tubbs there. He's just been walking around. He's been standing around. The old teddy bear Gizmo. He's been doing what he does best. He's just chilling back there. But yeah, I'm getting hungry. So you know what I'm craving when I'm hungry? Time for a cheese dog, I think. So anyhow, time to get this bad boy out. I got a fancy drink for you guys too. We've had it in the previous episodes way back when. But anyhow, it's time to set up the camera, get some cheese dog cooking action. not sure how you guys can see that, but I think that's a perfectly cooked cheese dog. And yeah, for tonight, put your relish on there first. Oh, we know Gizmo, he likes the cheese dogs too. If you don't worry, Mickey, he's down there. I'm sure he likes the cheese dogs too. So then I'm gonna put our ketchup there, of course, and then just a little bit of mustard. There we go. Just a little bit of mustard for a little bit of flavoring. And for a drink, we got our Herbs sarsaparilla. Had one of these before, wasn't too bad. That's a good sarsaparilla, I tell ya. Next, our cheese dog. Gizmo, I bet you're looking for crumbs right now. That was damn good cheese dog. Hey Gizmo, what's that? There you go. A little bit of bread here for Gizmo. And here you go, a little bit of cheese dog for you, bud. Gizmo approved? Oh yeah, I think Gizmo approves. And now, Mickey. There you go. I think Mickey approves as well. So anyhow, I'm gonna finish my cheese dog, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Cheers. Oh yeah, put the kids to sleep there in the back of the truck, so got cheese dog number 2. And still got our sarsaparilla. Feel like it's been too long since I've done a cheese dog cooking and camping, so definitely got some more cheese dog recipes coming for you guys this summer. But night's still young. Got some s'mores for you guys in a bit. Hold on. There we go. Now we got a whole new set of ingredients. Need my stick. Got a new set of ingredients. Got a graham crackers. If you put your s'more, you always want to pre-stage everything. There you go. You got your graham crackers. Then for a chocolate bar, we got this here, dairy milk. Next, of course, you got your marshmallow. Time to go cook this bad boy. I think we got that perfect brown texture all around, but anyhow, I gotta put her on there before she gets too cold. Not my bestest. Marshmallow just, I should have cooked it longer where it got warmer. Or even get a stick. We'll master the s'mores recipe before this summer's done. But anyhow, gotta say, feels good to be doing some pretty much summer camping again. Taking the truck out, taking the bike out, having everything set up, even bringing the dogs with me. It'll be more fun as we get more solo stuff. So yeah, tomorrow morning we'll probably take for a little spin with Gizmo and Mickey. Yeah, we're gonna have to get the blowtorch or something, melt this chocolate a little bit better, because we're gonna work on that. But anyhow, oh yeah, in case you guys are wondering how Gizmo and Mickey are doing, let me show you guys. Yeah, you guys just chilling back here, and then we got the heater down there going. Make sure that they're all good to go. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So yeah, they're doing pretty good back there. I think Gizmo enjoys camping too. So anyhow, there you go. Here's what I'm doing right now. Got my s'more right there, heating up. Get some s'mores action right there, I tell ya. Definitely a lot better. Not quite perfected, but we're getting there. So anyhow, that's kind of ends on a good note for tonight. Probably get back to you guys once I'm in the back of the truck. So anyhow, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Cheers. Well, here we are, back at the trailer. Got Mickey just chilling out there. Hey, bud. Got Gizmo just chilling out there. How you doing? Nice and happy. So anyhow, I guess, oh, you okay, Mick? Yeah, we're going to shut her down for the evening. Probably just going to watch a movie on your computer. Not too sure what I'll watch. Watch something, pass out too. So anyhow, tomorrow morning, let's see if the GoPro worked or not. If not, I promise you guys a little ride. Even if it has to be with the camera to show you guys a little ride with the 2 little pooches on the KLR. And then quick little breakfast, and then we'll just roll out. So anyhow, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Cheers. Good morning, everybody. Here we are, nice and toasty in the back of the truck house. Not crazy packed morning. Fortunately, Tubbs there, he's got a bit of a groomer's appointment, so we gotta kind of rush, take him for a quick little bike ride, because I'm not sure if I got you guys that on the GoPro or not, so get some of that on that footage on the phone camera, then pack up the bike, and then head back home. So anyhow, let's go do that, and I gotta wrap up the video there now, and finish up with that. So anyhow, I had a good time camping. Had 2 amazing cheese dogs. Getting really, really good with that s'mores, and season's just getting started. So anyhow, oh, another thing too, little thing to show. If you're a parent, you got kids, take up from Gizmo. Like, look at him there. I tell him there, he's got his son. Yeah, Gizmo's got his son Mickey. So spend time with your kids. Take him out camping like Gizmo's doing with his son Mickey. So anyhow, till next time, let's go for that bike ride. Remember to live, everybody, and cheers.